Good morning, my beloved students. This is teacher Mustafa, and today we're going to talk about, let's consider it a revision session. Okay, today we're going to talk about a genre. Now, this genre that we're talking about, we talked about earlier. Let's talk about the informational text. Let's talk about the informational text. Mu'ad.
My name is Art.
Mu'ad, what do you know about the informational text?
It gives us information about real stuff. It's real.
Very good. So it gives
not fiction.
us information about real topics. Very good. Very, very good. Yusuf, add something more.
But Mr. I have a little comic that I drew, and it's pretty funny.
Let's just finish this session, then I'll listen to all of your comics, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Yusuf Khalid.
Yes.
What can you add else about the informational text? What does it use? Facts or fiction?
Facts.
Very good.
Facts.
So it uses
Facts.
facts. Very good. Very, very good. Thank you very much for that. Malik al-Banna.
Hello, Master.
What's the author's purpose?
That's what the author talking about. To inform or to entertain.
Yes, about the informational text. What's the author's purpose?
Yeah, it's non-fiction, to inform.
To inform. Very good. To inform.
It's
Very, very good.
non-fiction.
Thank you very much, Malik. Yusuf Yusri. How many elements does the informational text have? How many elements? Try to remember.
Compare and contrast.
What?
Compare and contrast.
Compare and contrast, maybe. Muhammad Walid, what do you think? How many elements are there?
In authors.
No, how many elements is it in the informational text?
Text features
Yes.
and other things.
Yeah, how many are they in total? There are 2 or 3 or 4?
3.
3. Let's guess. So we have 3 elements. We have 3 elements. What are they? Yusuf Yusri, what is the first element? What are the 3 elements?
Structure.
First one is?
Text structure.
Text what?
Structure.
Features. What are the text features, Muhammad Walid?
Photos and photos
photos, illustrations, right?
draws,
Graphs, drawings. Very good.
yeah. Okay.
Why do we need the text features, Muhammad?
Because it can help us understand the main idea or detail.
Better understand
For main idea and other stuff.
the text, right?
Yeah.
And it makes it what?
More easier to
Easier. Very good to understand. Very good.
I'm sure. I'm sure, Mister. For I don't know really at the first.
text. Very good. Thank you very much for that. Muhammad Magdi.
I'm sorry. I didn't know at the first.
No
So-
problem at all. No problem. Muhammad Magdi, what is the second thing?
After the first feature, you mean?
After the text features, we said that it includes 3 elements.
So,
Huh?
Mr. The sound stopped. There's no sound.
Muhammad, are you here? Okay, so Muhammad's not here. Adham. Adham, not here also. Hey guys, what was wrong?
Your internet was wrong.
I don't know what's wrong really, because I just installed a new Wi-Fi, so I don't believe it was my internet, but no problem at all. Let's
Check
so Muhammad Magdi, it was your turn. So please tell me here. What is the second thing?
The informational text give us real information about things.
Yes, we have the text feature. What else do we have? There's a sound in your background. Kareem.
Yes, Master.
What is the second thing that we have? In the 3 elements, what are they? Who remembers? Who can put it on the chat?
Supporting details.
Very good. It is the supporting
Details.
What do the supporting details do?
So that a detail that helps us in reading or informing and small information like this.
They
Is one of the details.
support what?
They support us while our reading.
The main idea. They support
The main idea.
through what? Through facts and
Examples.
examples, right?
Yeah.
And we can say also that they give us more details about the main idea using what? Facts and examples, right?
Yeah.
Very good. The third one, I need Adam.
Yes, Master.
The third element is what?
Main idea.
Main idea. Very good. What does it do?
It tells us the idea. What is the idea of the story? The main
What is the topic?
of the story.
Generally.
In the about the
Generally what? About. Very good. It tells us what is the topic generally about. Very good. Thank you for that. Thank you. So we have some reading skills. So before we go to the reading skills, let's revise this part. So Elias, can you please read this part, all of it, please?
Okay, I would read it. Genre is informational text. It gives us information about 3 topics. It uses facts. The author's purpose is to inform. It includes 3 elements: text features, as photos, illustrations, graphs, drawings, etc. They help us better understand the text. It makes it easier to understand the text. Supporting details. They support the main idea through facts and examples. They give us more details about the main idea using facts and examples.
Very
Main
good.
idea, it tells us what is the topic generally about. Reading skills.
Yes, it tells us what is the topic generally about. Now we will go for something new, which is the reading skills. Okay, so we have multiple reading skills. Multiple reading skills. Okay, they can be mentioned here, as you can see.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please read them again? Sorry, read them more, Ilyas?
Yeah, okay. Compare and contrast ideas. Organize ideas by cause and effect. Show the order in which events happened. Describe details in depth. State a problem and offer one or more solutions.
Yes, state a problem. So this is called the text structure. Sorry, my bad, not the reading skills. This is the text structure. Okay. So,
Okay.
author, use of text structure. Okay. So how do they use the text structure? First thing is what? Is
Is the compare and
organizing,
contrast.
organizing
Organize
things
things
in a chronological order. Yes, this means, Ilyas, from the beginning to the end or from the end to the beginning?
From the beginning to the end.
Very good. So from the beginning to the end. Very good. Thank you very much for you, Ilyas. Thank you very much, bro.
You're welcome.
Hamza Ahmed. Hamza?
I'm here.
The second thing that we studied in the writing, what was it? Compare.
Compare and contrast.
And contrast. Very good. What is compare and contrast? Telling.
Compare between two things.
How two things are
Different.
and
Similar and different.
and different. Very good. Thank you very much for that. Very, very much. Thank you. The third thing is using cause and effect. Using cause and effect. And the fourth thing is, who can say it? Who can say it? Mr. Random.
I am a random potato.
Yes, Mr. Bilal, can you tell us number 4 and 5, please?
Brainstorming?
No. Describe.
Describe
Details
in depth.
And usually, guys, with this kind of text structure, it talks about one thing only, and it keeps talking about it. For example, if it's talking about cars, so it will talk about every single thing about the car. Got it? It won't leave a bit. It won't leave a bit. So it talks about everything. Talks about almost everything. Everything. Okay. And the last one is called the problem.
Problem and solution.
And this is our case for today. The problem and solution can sometimes also be called, but not sometimes. You're in grade 5, so you will use it. Here, conflict and resolution. Conflict and resolution. So from now on, we're not going to use problem and solution. we're not grade 1. We're going to use conflict
Wait, really? I
and
thought it was potato one.
we're going to use conflict and
Resolution.
resolution. Very good. We're going to use conflict and resolution. And I will give you examples of, I will send you to breakout rooms and so on, but not just now. Let's finish the third part of our lesson today. So the third part of our lesson today is a very, very easy thing. And you knew it. We studied it before. We studied it before. So I will have Abdulaziz answering me this. It's related to the vocabulary.
Hello, Mister.
Hello, Abdulaziz. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, thanks.
Okay, so can you tell me, please, when I say the meaning of a word, so what do I say? The antonym or the synonym?
Probably the synonym. I say the synonym and hello, Mister. Mister.
Yep.
I said it. I say the synonyms and antonyms.
Yes. Which one? What is the meaning of synonyms and what is the meaning of antonyms, Abdulaziz?
Synonyms is describing a little word, the same.
So synonyms, it's
Describing the word.
So it's
but
the
not
meaning of
the
the word. What about the antonyms?
Antonyms.
Huh?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Also the meaning?
Nope.
Abdurrahman Sharif, what do you think?
Hello, Mister.
Hello, Abdurrahman. What do you think? The antonyms are?
Opposites.
Opposites. Very good.
Oh, yeah, the opposites. But how? I mean, okay.
The antonyms are the opposites of the word. Now, Abdurrahman, I have to ask you a question.
Yes.
Bye, Mister.
Thank you, Abdulaziz. Is there only one meaning of a word?
No, there are many meanings for the word.
Very good. There are multiple meanings for the word. And let me ask you another question. Is there only one antonym of a word?
No.
Huh? One antonym?
No.
There are multiple?
Many antonyms.
Yes, very good. There are multiple antonyms of the word. Very good. So this is our lesson today, guys. We talked about the genre, the informational text. We explained it. We said the author's purpose, and gladly Ilyas read everything about it. We read the author's use of text structure, and we knew why, how the author organized their writings, sometimes from the beginning to the end. Sometimes they compare and contrast like you did in the writing sessions on Thursday. They use cause and effect like before when we studied Frida Kahlo. Describe details in depth when it's describing something, and the last but not least, the conflict and resolution when there's a problem and the writer is trying to solve it. Okay. And number 5, actually, number 5 is mostly used in movies. There's a problem and the hero tries to solve it. So he ends up making another problem. So he tries to solve it and so on. Okay. Here, describe details in depth, which means that he describes them very much. He gets into the topic very much. Got it? Not just, all the things that we know. But for example, if he's describing matter in science, he will describe the matters and the states of matters and the particles of matter and how they are arranged. So those are very, very, very deep details. And we studied the vocabulary, which are the synonyms and the antonyms. We knew that the synonyms are the meanings of a word and the antonyms are the opposites of a word. So this is our lesson for today. We will have the rest of the period as exercise. I will send you to breakout rooms, but thank you for all my YouTube lovers. I love you so much and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys. Bye.